you doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to remove ink stains from. This is a Kay Unger from Nordstrom dress that had a ink mark all the way across the front, and as you can see, I can show you the back. It's all the way across the back too. I've watched many videos of how to remove ink stains from fabric, but what I've used today is Shout, and it works. Watch. So I just spray a little bit on the spot where the ink is, as you can see. Now this ink stain probably been on here for weeks. I don't know. But watch this. I don't even let it soak. I just spray it on and start scrubbing. And as you can see, it removes the ink.
Which I'm really glad that he was able to save this, because as you can see, the retail value of this dress is $398 and they had it on clearance for $118. So we were actually really disappointed when we saw the pen mark, and we almost said it's not savable, just because it was so much ink across the dress.
The front of the dress, I've removed the whole ink line. Now all I have to do is let it dry, rinse it with a little water to get the Shout out, and there you have it. It comes out with Shout. Now I'm not gonna say that it comes out of every type of material with Shout, but why don't you give it a shout? Thank you for watching.